More stuff from Tamiya. What stuff have we got from Tamiya? Bigwig and Subaru Brat. Right here in my hand is a Subaru Brat. This is based off of the frog chassis. To bring it over here, based off of the frog chassis, this one. Really popular with one of my close friends, Aaron Defina. And I think it's because Aaron Defina pictures himself as this very character. When Aaron had hair, I reckon that's who he modeled himself of. So Aaron Defina, I've now worked out why you love the Subaru Brat. Now, one of the really cool things about this Tamiya Subaru Brat, I'm going to get this one off the thing actually. I've overloaded the bench, young Cobes.
Holy moly.
Haven't I?
What the?
One thing that I do love about this Subaru Brat, young man, you know you're old when you start calling people.
My cousin
young
has
man.
One of these.
Does he?
It's a paddock basher.
A paddock basher. Because you can't kill him with a brick.
Maybe through the windshield you could kill the driver.
But this Subaru model comes with 2 body shells. Comes with polycarbonate and the ABS plastic one. So you can have a high detailed ABS one. Yeah. Paint it on the outside and fully customize it, whatever.
And then TS.
Yep. And then have the polycarbonate one that you paint from the inside for your bashing.
Yeah, your TS.
So you got one for the shelf and one for
the road,
bashing.
For the dirt.
I love it.
You know, the last time I saw this was when I worked here last.
Really?
We had these on the shelf. I almost got one.
Did you? Yeah, they're quite an iconic model.
Yeah.
They probably come about every 3 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
So do yourself a favor and get yourself a Tamiya Subaru Brat.
Yeah. There you go. It says resin body. I'll have to see that.
Yeah, well that's ABS.
Yeah.
They just
ABS
refer
resin.
to it. Here we have the Bigwig, or
the earwig.
If you're New Zealander, you would say Bugwug.
Bugwug, bro.
Bugwug.
Bugwug.
And that's not from me. That was Tony Gray that brought that to my attention. Yeah.
Bigwig.
He said, yeah, one of our friends would call it Bugwug.
Bigwig.
So there you go. That is a Bigwig. And I believe that this is the first time that this has been repressed since 2017.
Wow.
I could be wrong, but I don't remember seeing it in the shop the past 5 years.
Oh, body and design by...
So that is really cool.
Takuya.
So this is a 1986 model. Really cool. Again, another iconic model there from Tamiya. They really used to pump out all these new exciting kits back in the day. Now they really, I suppose, they really concentrate on re-releasing in their models. But yeah, they've repressed it and it's really cool. Bigwig.
Back in.
I love it. 4-wheel drive off-road buggy. The Bigwig. How big is your wig?
This big.
This big.
Big wig.
I didn't say merkin.
Give me a swig
Hey,
of your big wig.
merkin used to be a wig for your lady bits.
Oh,
Or your man bits.
Or your man bits. Yeah, right.
I'm not sure. Merkins.
A gherkin.
Just like a big wig.
I prefer gherkins.
Do you?
Flipping big wig, says Mr. Jeffy.
That's
Big
right.